afternoon. Welcome, folks. This is Pip Getterz. I'm Professor Pip. I want to share something I call death by ATM. Okay? And I don't mean to scare y'all. The word death is scary. The ATM sometimes is scary. But I call this term death by ATM. And what I mean is sometimes we get a lump sum of money, or sometimes we know we got some money coming in. We might have a car accident. Some of us got stimulus right now. We getting PPP. Some people getting this. Some people getting that. Some people just get money by way of inheritance. You never know how you may obtain some money. It doesn't have to be a large amount, just a certain amount of money. And before we get this money, sometimes we make decisions like, when I get some money, or the next time I get some money, I'm going to do this. I'm going to invest in this. Or I'm going to take some of it and I'm going to spend it on this. That's our mindset before we get our hands on some money. What we need to do and what we have to do to secure something later in the future, or to make us feel comfortable, or a cushion, okay? But then when the money comes, we start, all of a sudden, we deserve these things. When the money comes, all of a sudden we got all these other small things to do that take our mind off of what our dream was or what our goal was, to invest, to make some money, to put away for the future, or to invest to make more money, or to get out of a situation, a job, debt, or whatever. We put the money in the bank. Next thing you know, I deserve to go out a little bit. Next thing you know, I see these shoes I like. I deserve that. And I deserve this. We the most I deserve people without putting any work in. We deserve so much for doing so little. I need to go out to eat. I ain't been out the house in a while. I need some air. Whatever it is, we make up some reason why we need to go kill ourselves $20, $40 at a time. Oh, this ain't gonna hurt. I'm gonna go get $20 out the ATM. Or I'm gonna go get $40 out the ATM. So basically what I'm saying is we killing ourselves $20 and $40 at a time by way of ATM. They're not big gunshots to the chest to kill us. They're like slow water droplets of death. Just depleting yourself $20 to $40 at a time. So instead of taking that initial lump sum and investing it and flipping it, or buying something that we can sell later, okay, for a higher price, or investing in some education so that maybe I can learn something, then I can earn something else. The more you learn, the more you earn. So in investing in education, you haven't even thought about that. But that next outfit, the rims on the car, or the this, or the that, I may need to go on vacation, or I want to do this, I need to go to the casino. Whatever it is that you do or you feel like you deserve, we mess up our ultimate dream by going to the left and making other decisions about what we think we deserve or what we think we ought to have. Instead of sacrificing and staying down and keeping our money and keeping that lump sum until we're able to put a certain amount of money down on something that's worth it. So what I want to say to y'all folks today, or tonight, or this evening, or this morning, is don't kill yourself by ATM. Sacrifice, okay? Those $20 and those $40 and those $15 or whatever it is, those add up. They add up little by little. Next thing you know, it's $1,000. It's $2,000. So when you get a stimulus, or you get money from a car accident, your lawyer settled the case, or you get money from here, or you get money from there, save it. Everybody ain't got to know you just got some money. Okay, and the money you think is some money, really to somebody else, it ain't no money. So it's all on perspective. Okay, so I want you to do today, or tonight, or this evening, this week, this month, this year, is work on making a U-turn at that ATM, and not even going to it unless it's really necessary. Don't kill yourself $20 or $40 at a time. I know plenty of people that have done that. I know plenty of people that still do that. They go to that ATM and they debit themselves to death. Death debit. I might need to write that down. The death debit. Don't kill yourself via ATM, folks. Death by ATM. Like a lot of times we go and spend that $20 or $40 and we weren't even impressed anyway. You end up like, I could have stayed home. So stay home, stay down to come up. Sometimes you got to stay down to come up. Sometimes you got to go left just to get right. You can't follow everybody else. Sometimes you got to go left just to get right. Sometimes you got to stay down just to come up. Sacrifice, sacrifice, sacrifice. So think about that next time you feel like you need or deserve something. Do I really need it, or do I really have to have it? Is it a need or a want? Okay? Don't forget that, folks, and stay away. Don't kill yourself via ATM. That's very important. Have a good one.